In Word, every now and then, we'd like to change the line spacing of our text or our paragraphs. And usually to do that, we would select the text that we have here. Let's say, let me just zoom in a bit. There. Just highlight the text or the paragraph. So I have two paragraphs here. And I'll just go to here, the paragraph group under the Home tab. So in the paragraph group here, I can use this button, which is the line spacing button, and then change the line spacing. There, you can see a preview while I hover over the different options, say double line spacing, 1.5 single, there you go. Okay. And if I select one of those, let's say double line spacing, there you go. The text or the paragraphs turn to double line spacing. Let me just undo that, or maybe we'll just bring it back to single space or single line spacing. Another way we can do this is, well, sometimes I call this the traditional way. We go to the paragraph format dialog box, and we can click this little launcher over here, or I call it the tiny button. Just click that, and it will show you the paragraph dialog box or the paragraph formatting dialog box, and you can choose to change your line spacing over here. For example, I want it to be 1.5 line spacing, and then click OK. There we go. Okay. But there is another, and I'd like to talk about this. It's a shortcut key, and I've been using this for a very long time, and this is by using shortcut keys Control 1 for single line spacing and Control 2 for double line spacing and Control 5 for 1.5 or 1.5 line spacing. Okay, so yeah, there you are. We have Control 1 single line space, Control 2 double line spacing, and Control 5 1.5 line spacing.